Dear students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting further, I would like to tell you something. Please watch video completely and sit with copy pen. And if you find somewhere important, then note it and proceed further. If you find anywhere some problems or difficulties, please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Here what says the question? A student skates up a ramp that makes an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. He or she starts as shown in the figure at the bottom of the ramp with speed v0 and wants to turn around over a semicircular path xyz of radius capital R, during which he or she reaches a maximum height h at point y from the ground as shown in the figure. Assume that the energy loss is negligible and the force required for this turn at the highest point is provided by his or her weight only. Then here G is the acceleration due to gravity and given four options. It is multiple choice question, so it may be more than one could be right. Okay, so here first v naught square minus 2gh equal to 1 by 2 gr. Second, v naught square minus 2gh equal to root 3 by 2 gr. Option C, the centripetal force required at point x and z is 0. Option D, the centripetal force required is maximum at point x and z. And this question is asked JEE Advanced 2020. First of all, we have to understand what the question says. Here we have given an inclined plane. A student skates up to this rim and at the moment x it reaches, then it turns semicircular path. This inclined plane making angle 30 degree from the ground. Here there is no loss of energy. It means we can apply laws of conservation of energy. So here let us first we have considered this point. Initial point is A and this final point is B. And kinetic energy mv naught square. Here there is no potential energy because the ground level is 0. So H equal to 0. Here the kinetic energy 1 by 2 m v1 square. Here to this energy at the reaches here at the point B. Here the velocity become v1. So here 1 by 2 m v1 square and potential energy at the y here x, y and z from the ground, that is h. Okay, so here 1 by 2 m p naught square equal to 1 by 2 m p1 square plus mgh. M get common and cancel out. Then v naught square by 2. Then 2 get LCM. v1 square plus 2gh. 2 cancel out. Then v naught square minus 2gh equal to v1 square. So it is the first equation. Let us check. Is it answer or not? Okay, here no any answer in the form of v1. So here now for second we have to find out v1. Now we see here students at the moment x it reaches and then turns round, that provides the centripetal force. Which force is provided to centripetal force? Here its own weight. Its own weight provides the centripetal force, and we have divided two components of this weight, mg cos 30, because here inclined making angle 30 degree, and second component mg sin 30. This mg sin 30, this mg sin 30 provides centripetal force, means mv1 square by capital R. Cancel out. G sin 30 is 1 by 2, means g by 2 equal to v1 square by r. Then v1 square equal to gr by 2. Now substitute this value in given v naught square minus 2gh equal to gr by 2. So let's see which option is matching here. Here we can see that first option is correct. So here first option is correct. V naught square minus 2gh equal to gr by 2. Now here given that centripetal force required at point x and z is 0, it is not possible, because if it becomes 0 then how it reaches to the y. And for the third, the centripetal force required is maximum point at x and z. Let's see. Here this equation V naught square minus 2gh equal to gr by 2. Okay, or g1 square, sorry. V naught square minus 2gh equal to v1 square. So let's see, at the point x there is g dash h dash and it is h. This is height from the y, that is h. So here you can see that as well as h is increases. Here h is increases, it means v1 is decreases. So and v1 is depend on mv1 square by r, that is centripetal force. So here at the centripetal force required maximum. So it means at the moment x and z is maximum. Okay, because here height is minimum. Okay, so here because height is depend on this centripetal force, and as well as h is increases, then centripetal force is decreases. Clear? So here last option, D option is correct and first option is correct. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of the video, and I remind you, those who have not subscribed yet, do it immediately by pressing bell icon. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.